of a police station?
Yeah.
Is there any reason for that?
Just taking some photos today.
Can you tell me why you're taking photos of a police station?
Yeah, just making a video today. Police cars, police station.
Yeah. For...
Hello and welcome back to UK Police Audit. In today's video, we take a closer look at an encounter outside Hastings Police Station, where a man filming on a public pavement is stopped, questioned and eventually arrested under Section 50 of the Police Reform Act. What begins as a calm and lawful act of public recording quickly turns into a worrying example of how police powers can be misunderstood and misused. We'll break down every stage of this interaction, explain which powers were lawfully available and which were not, and highlight exactly where the officers went wrong. Please support the auditor featured in this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more in-depth police breakdowns and accountability commentary.
Right, mate.
Yeah, I'm all good.
You're taking a picture of a police station?
Yeah.
Is there any reason for that?
Just taking some photos today.
Right, yeah, for
Taking
what
photos.
reason?
Just making...
Yeah, can you tell me why you're taking photos of a police station?
yeah, just making a video today. Police cars, police station.
Yeah. For...
I'm just gonna... Not too sure at the moment. Maybe get some images, put them all together. Make some sort of... Gather the footage, make a story.
You can see our concern, can't you?
Say again?
You can see our concern with the recent terrorist attacks and stuff.
Oh, no way.
People taking photos of police stations and stuff.
That's all good, isn't it? I can take photos, can't I?
Right.
You can do, yeah.
It depends what you take them for.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Nah, nothing.
Planning something.
Pardon?
You might be planning something.
No, not planning. Well, planning. I am planning something. Yeah, I am planning.
Right.
Make a video.
Right. What do you do for a living, mate?
This is where the officers begin to misuse their authority. Under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act 2000, an officer may only stop and search someone if they reasonably suspect that individual is a terrorist. Simply taking photos of a public building does not meet that threshold. The Home Office and the National Police Chiefs Council have both confirmed that photography in public spaces is a lawful activity and does not in itself provide grounds for suspicion. By introducing terrorism without specific intelligence or behaviour to justify it, the officers are operating purely on assumption, and assumption is not recognised in law as reasonable suspicion. What we're seeing here is the early stage of an unlawful stop developing under the guise of counter-terrorism powers. Additionally, the auditor has no legal obligation to identify himself, answer personal questions, or justify his filming. These are protected actions under Article 10 of the Human Rights Act 1998, which guarantees the right to freedom of expression, and Article 8, which protects private life. Unless an officer can cite a lawful power being exercised, the public remain free to disengage and walk away.
Mate, videos?
For any particular people?
Nah, who are you guys?
Police. We're
Police.
police.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
Right.
Police officers?
Yeah, we're from the police station.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Actual police officers?
Yeah.
Do you have like a number?
Yep.
What's the number?
Charlie Whiskey 146.
Oh, thanks, man.
Right.
You?
You've got any identity? Look, yeah, I've got my identity. Have you got anything?
Oh, sweet, man. No, I don't carry the ID, buddy.
Wallet?
Wallet?
You got money on you?
No, I've got to tell you what I do have.
Mobile?
No. I've got...
Nerds.
No. Yeah.
Nerds. I was going to take some photos of the nerds, maybe.
Right, okay.
But yeah, police station then, is it?
Yeah,
and the law court's on the other side, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, well. All right, cool. But not allowed past there, no?
No, not into the yard.
All right, mate.
Yeah. Hold on, can you...
All right, cheers, guys. You all right?
No, just hold on a minute.
Oh.
Can I have a look at the photos you've taken? Would you like to have a look at the photos you've taken?
No. Personal photos, no?
No, I know they are, but why are you standing outside of the police station taking photos?
That's what photographers do, isn't it?
Sorry?
That's what photographers do.
Yes, I know. I'm not saying that they don't do that.
No, that's
I'm
all right.
wondering why you're taking photos of the police station.
Well, yeah, just trying to get some images of the cars and stuff.
You're right. Why? For what kind of video? I don't understand.
Oh, yeah, have to wait and see, man.
Wait and see
Yeah.
where.
Well, depends if I upload it or not yet. We'll see. I'm just taking, like I said, I'm going around taking some photos, maybe of the patrol cars and stuff like that, but I just saw the blue lights come out of there and I was a bit like, missed it. Is this all right?
Sorry?
Is it all right?
Is he alright?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come down. Great.
You all right?
Right, I've got real concerns about you, mate.
Why?
Because people plan things, yeah? And usually when they plan things, they have photographs to do so. The explanation you're giving for taking
Making a video,
photographs,
yeah.
I'm not happy with.
Why?
Because a
Photography's
video
not
of
a
what?
crime, is
You've
it?
not explained it very well.
Photography's not a crime, is it?
It depends what a photography's for.
That's not the answer, is it? Photography's not a crime, is it?
No, it's not.
Photography
No.
is not a crime, but
There you go then.
taking photos for a purpose, for a trick, like a terrorist attack, is a crime.
Well, yeah, I'm definitely not doing that.
But how do we know? Because you're coming up with some very wafty excuse of...
Wafty? Nah.
Well, you're saying you're taking photos for
Where
a
do you live,
video.
mate?
Where do you live?
You're local at Hastings.
Are you?
Right. Okay, you don't answer my questions.
Do I have to?
I'm asking...
I'm asking you same, man.
From you not answering my questions, you're giving us concerns, okay?
Why? I asked you, but where do you live?
I live local.
Oh, do you? Whereabouts? Street name?
I'm not going to give you the address.
So I don't have to
live
give you
local.
mine. I don't have to give you mine, do I?
No.
Here, the officer grossly misrepresents the Terrorism Act 2000. Under Section 43, an officer may stop and search only when there is reasonable suspicion that a person is a terrorist. Not being happy with someone's explanation is not a legal ground for suspicion. The law requires objective, evidence-based reasoning, not a feeling or personal discomfort. Filming a police station does not constitute an offence under the Terrorism Act, the Official Secrets Act, or any other legislation. Both the Home Office guidance and the College of Policing's Authorised Professional Practice, APP, confirm that members of the public have the right to record or photograph police premises from public land. By threatening arrest for terrorism without lawful grounds, the officer risks breaching Section 24 of the Police and Criminal Evidence Act, PACE, which governs arrest powers, as well as the Code of Ethics, particularly the standards of authority, respect and courtesy, and use of force and powers. This is a clear example of intimidation, using the fear of terrorism laws to control a lawful activity. The auditor's refusal to give his address is also completely lawful. There is no legal requirement to provide personal details unless the officer is exercising a statutory power that specifically compels it. For example, Section 50 of the Police Reform Act 2002, antisocial behaviour, or if the person is under arrest. Neither of those apply here. What we are witnessing is an officer creating a false legal narrative to justify detaining a citizen who has committed no offence. This misuse of terrorism legislation undermines public trust and constitutes an abuse of power under the Police Conduct Regulations 2020.
Anyway, I'll go round the front then.
Hold on, can you stop there, mate?
Why?
Because I'm asking you not to go anywhere. Oh, you're filming. Okay, that's fine. Right.
You're outside a police station taking photos, taking videos.
That's not a crime, is it?
It can be a crime, yes.
If I say it's not a crime.
Well, if I'm not happy with your explanation, it's a crime.
Oh, right. What's the crime?
Under the Terrorism Act, okay.
What's the
you believe
crime?
You may be planning a terrorist attack. Okay.
No, man.
So you can film it. By all means, you're free to film us.
Okay then, what's
2 minutes.
the issue?
Right.
If you just said I'm
Okay,
free
right,
to film,
so you
I'm
are,
free to
while
film.
you're here, I'm not happy with that.
Oh.
And without a thorough explanation,
You're going to have to give me some
I've
form of
got
ID
concerns.
against her. I didn't quite catch it early on. I've got places to be, so I'm going to be shooting off now.
There's no idea.
Yeah, how about yourself? No, I'm not
No?
going to film it, buddy. I don't take people's personal information. But I like to look at it myself, because sometimes,
there
you know,
you have a look.
sometimes Martin Mann.
Yeah.
What's the number, sir?
32511.
32511. Oh, thanks. Oh, right.
So why are you filming?
Thanks, guys. Have a good day.
No, wait there a minute.
Why?
Sorry?
Why?
Because we're asking you to.
Why?
Just checking a few things
Am I
out.
detained?
And I want to know what your name is.
Am I being detained? Please don't say me I'm being detained.
We're not at the minute. But
All right, thanks. Thanks, man.
Unless you give us an explanation
Thanks,
why
buddy.
you're
We have to
here.
retain you.
I'm taking photos, police cars, all around the police
But
station,
why?
making a story.
Story for what?
That's enough, isn't it? So what do you think? If I'm taking photos of a police station, what do you think the story's going to be about?
I don't know. It could be a terrorist attack for all I know.
No, come on. What do you think the story's going to be about?
I don't know. There's no reason for it. I mean, is it personal? Is it? What are you going to use it for?
We don't know yet. I don't know yet. I'm going to make a video, put it in the editing bay, and then we'll see what we come up with.
He's filming while you're talking as well.
Yeah, that's fine. I've got my camera on as well, so I'm filming.
Oh, you got a camera on?
Yes, I
Oh,
have.
1 second, mate.
Hey, you got any idea on you, sir?
Hang on, buddy. 1 second. I've got to put my body worn on. Whoa, you're too close to me, fella.
So you got any ID on you? At all?
Well, can I ask why you're so close to
Yeah,
me?
I can. So under the Terrorism Act, I can actually search you if I want to, under Section 60.
60?
So,
60?
So therefore...
Let's calm that
all
down
right,
a second.
All right,
60?
so can I see some ID, please? Can I see some ID?
Dude, what's this?
Can we guys ID, please?
1 second, please.
Got some ID on you? So I'm filming
Who are
as
you?
well.
Who are you?
PC Turner from Hastings Police Station. Who are you, sir? Who are you?
I don't need to tell you who I am.
We
Why are you
do.
getting around me?
Because you're filming in a public area.
Right, so you feel, no, listen.
I'm filming in a public area.
Listen, you are,
Filming in a public area.
yeah, for our security, so.
No, I'm not filming
Alright,
for your security,
you are.
fella.
Alright, so.
Whoa, dude.
Alright, so.
Dude.
Got any ID on you?
No.
If you listen,
Right,
it's being explained
so-
to you, isn't it?
We believe you're acting in antisocial manner. So under Police Reform Act, Section 50, I can arrest you
For?
to gain your details.
For?
So therefore, sir, you are under arrest under Section 50 of Public Police Reform Act.
This is where the officers completely lose control of their powers. The first mistake comes when one of them mentions Section 60, a law that only allows stop and search for weapons in an area authorised by a senior officer. It has nothing to do with terrorism and nothing to do with photography. Quoting it here shows a total misunderstanding of the legislation. Under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act 2000, police can only search someone if they reasonably suspect that person to be a terrorist. Filming a police station from a public pavement clearly doesn't meet that test. Then the arrest follows under Section 50 of the Police Reform Act 2002, a power meant for genuine cases of antisocial behaviour that cause harassment, alarm, or distress. Nothing in this encounter meets that definition. The auditor was calm, respectful, and filming lawfully. Arresting someone under Section 50 for refusing to give details in these circumstances is unlawful. The High Court in Cat versus but Commissioner of Police 2015 made clear that police interference with lawful public observation must be justified by real evidence, not assumption. Even the College of Policing warns officers not to use Section 50 to obtain details from people who are simply filming in public. Doing so breaches the police conduct regulations, which require fairness, integrity, and proper use of authority. By wrongly invoking terrorism, misquoting Section 60, and relying on Section 50 without cause, the officers have stacked three unrelated powers to justify a detention that simply isn't lawful. It's a clear misuse of authority and a reminder of why public recording is so vital. This encounter at Hastings Police Station shows how a calm, lawful act of filming can spiral into an unnecessary arrest when officers misuse powers they don't fully understand. The auditor stayed composed and well within his rights, while the officers repeatedly misapplied the law, from terrorism legislation to Section 50 of the Police Reform Act. I'd rate the auditor a solid 9 out of 10 for his calmness and legal awareness, and the officers a 1 out of 10 for professionalism and understanding of their powers. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments, and thanks for watching.